Sanibonani, ake senzeni naye enye i-Stafford Gambit. Stafford Gambit idlala ngama-piece amnyama, la khona udlala nomuntu odlala e4, right? Uthi umuntu yena mayedlala e4, you'll reply ngo-e5. Looks like a normal move nje indlela ekuhlala idlalwa ngayo. e4, white, bese wena u-black udlale e5. Uzobe sedlala i-knight yakhe to f3 to attack ipawn leli ku-e5. Now uzobe usudlala i-knight uyibeke ku-f6 u-attack ipawn lakhe. Awulidefendile njalo le pawn eliku-f5. Uzothatha i-knight ayishaye. Isikhundleni sokuthi udle nawe ipawn nge-knight, but uzodevelop i-knight yakho to attack i-knight yakhe leya. Uzothatha i-knight yakhe ashaye i-knight because already sekane-pawn up. Uzoshaya i-knight a-attack i-queen ngale knight, so uyaphoqeleka ukuthi uyidle, but ngifuna uyidle ngepawn leli liku-d7. Udle uvulele ibishop i-file as well ne-queen yakho isivulelekile. Laphana most of the time uzophusha i-pawn to attack i-knight, yabo? Push i-pawn alibeke lapha ku-e5, attack i-knight. Uzomove i-knight uyibeke ku-e4, attack le pawn eliku-f2. Uzophusha i-pawn to attack i-knight yakho. Awuzukulisusa le knight, but uzodevelop i-bishop uyibeke lapha ku-c7, attack i-pawn eliku-f2 nge-knight nange-bishop. Mayedla i-knight because uzoyidla i-knight, uyabona ukuthi ayidefendiwe. Wena uzobuthatha i-bishop ushaya i-pawn eliku-f2, check ku-king. Uma edla le bishop uzowina i-queen because i-queen yakho ne-king yakhe kuqondene. But i-mistake angayenza ukumove angadli i-bishop, amove ahlale lapha ku-e2. Uzobe uthatha i-bishop uthi check, uyise lapha ku-g4 and say check. Lapho i-queen yakhe ne-bishop yakho kuqondene. So ukumove kwakhe nge-king uyoshaya i-queen wena nge-queen yakho. Thatha i-queen yakho uyoshaya i-queen yakhe for free. Then sobe sekulula ukuwina le game because now i-king yakhe ayisavikelekile, ngeke asakwazi ukukhansela. Usune-queen up, kulula ukuwina i-game. Cela niphinde ni-like, ni-subscribe.